Guess what?
What?
We got 1,000 subscribers.
Yay!
We got 1,000 subscribers. Wait, hold on, Kinsey. We got 1,000 subscribers.
Yay!
Thank you for your subscription.
Thank you for your subscriptions.
Hey guys, I seriously want to thank you for all the support, your likes and your comments, and getting us to 1,000 subs. We've got a ton of videos coming up, so we hope you enjoy them and keep giving us all that great feedback. Thanks very much. Do you know what we got?
What?
1,000 subscribers. You're supposed to say like that.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And always feel free to leave us any comments or questions that you might have.